students, in our last lecture we discussed up to question number 8 of miscellaneous exercise 2. Now we solve some more question of our same exercise 2. Question number 9. Prove that tan inverse root of x is equal to 1 by 2 cos inverse 1 minus x upon 1 plus x. X belongs to close 0 to 1. In this type of question, taking left hand side we get right hand side, or taking right hand side we get left hand side. Here we take a big side, right hand side. RHS is equal to 1 by 2 cos inverse 1 minus x upon 1 plus x, and get a small side, left hand side. Here remember this 1 minus x upon 1 plus x is a type of 1 minus tan square theta upon 1 plus tan square theta, and we know that 1 minus tan square theta upon 1 plus tan square theta is equal to cos 2 theta. So here first we assume that x is equal to tan square theta. So right hand side becomes 1 by 2 cos inverse 1 minus tan square theta upon 1 plus tan square theta. So is equal to 1 by 2 cos inverse 1 minus tan square upon 1 plus tan square is equal to, we know that cos 2 theta formula. Clear? So remember this formula. 1 minus tan square theta upon 1 plus tan square theta is equal to cos 2 theta. Now cos inverse cos 2 theta is equal to 2 theta. So we get here theta. Now theta change into x form. Here we have x is equal to tan square theta. So this implies apply square root on both sides. We get root of x is equal to tan theta. So theta is equal to tan inverse root of x. So here theta is equal to tan inverse root of x. So this is a left hand side, LHS, hence proof. Now next question. Now question number 10. Prove that cot inverse root of 1 plus sin x plus root of 1 minus sin x upon root of 1 plus sin x minus root of 1 minus sin x is equal to x by 2. X belongs to open 0 to pi by 4. Take a left hand side and get a right hand side. LHS is equal to cot inverse root of 1 plus sin x plus root of 1 minus sin x upon root of 1 plus sin x minus root of 1 minus sin x. In this type of question, first multiplying by conjugate of this denominator. So here we get cot inverse square of this, that is a root of 1 plus sin x plus root of 1 minus sin x raised to 2 upon root of 1 plus sin x plus here minus root of 1 minus sin x into root of 1 plus sin x plus root of 1 minus sin x. So is equal to, split this bracket, we get cot inverse 1 plus sin x plus 2 into product of these two is equal to root of 1 minus sin square. Root of 1 minus sin square is the root of cos square, and square root of cos square is the cos x, plus square of last term 1 minus sin x upon product of these two terms is equal to 1 plus sin x raised to 2, that is 1 plus sin x, minus square of second terms 1 minus sin x, bracket over. So is equal to cot inverse, here sin minus sin plus cancel, 1 plus 1 become 2, plus 2 cos x upon minus take inside, minus 1 plus 1 cancel, minus minus plus sin x become a 2 sin x. So is equal to, here we get a cot inverse 2 from both numerator denominator cancel, we get 1 plus cos x upon sin x. Clear? Now here 1 plus cos x is equal to, we know that 2 cos square x by 2, half angle formula. Since sin x is equal to, we know that 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2. 2 from both numerator denominator cancel, 1 cos cancel, we get cos x by 2 upon sin x by 2 is equal to cot x by 2, and the cot inverse cot x by 2 is equal to x by 2. Hence proof. This is the right hand side. So remember this here. Now question number 11. Prove that the tan inverse root of 1 plus x minus root of 1 minus x upon root of 1 plus x plus root of 1 minus x is equal to pi by 4 minus 1 by 2 cos inverse x. Here taking left hand side, tan inverse root of 1 plus x minus root of 1 minus x upon root of 1 plus x plus root of 1 minus x. Remember this, 1 plus x look like 1 plus cos 2 theta, and we know that 1 plus cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square theta. Same 1 minus cos 2 theta is equal to 2 sin square theta. So in this type of question, if this type of terms given, then first we assume that x is equal to cos 2 theta. So cos 2 theta x is equal to, therefore left hand side becomes tan inverse root of 1 plus cos 2 theta minus root of 1 minus cos 2 theta upon root of 1 plus cos 2 theta plus root of 1 minus cos 2 theta. Now 1 plus cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square theta. So here we get tan inverse root of 2 cos square theta is equal to root 2 cos theta. Same 1 minus cos 2 theta is equal to 2 sin square theta, and square root of this is equal to root 2 sin theta. Same here, root 2 cos 2 theta, cos theta plus root 2 sin theta. Now dividing by root 2 cos theta to both numerator denominator, we get a tan inverse 1 minus tan theta upon 1 plus tan theta. This is look like h. Tan inverse x minus y upon 1 plus x into y. X is equal to take 1, y is equal to tan theta. So here we get tan inverse 1 minus tan inverse tan theta. Clear? Remember this formula. Tan inverse x minus y upon 1 plus x into y. In this equation, we take x is equal to 1. So is equal to tan inverse x minus tan inverse y. Tan inverse 1 is equal to, we know that pi by 4, minus tan inverse tan theta is equal to theta. Now change this theta into x form. Here we have x is equal to cos 2 theta. So this implies cos inverse x is equal to 2 theta. So this implies theta is equal to take this side. So 1 by 2 cos inverse x. So theta is equal to 1 by 2 cos inverse x. So this is a right hand side RHS. Clear this? Now question number 12. Prove that 9 pi upon 8 minus 9 by 4 sin inverse 1 by 3 is equal to 9 by 4 sin inverse 2 root 2 upon 3. Here we take a left hand side. 9 pi upon 8 minus 9 upon 4 sin inverse 1 by 3. Now from these two terms 9 upon 4 take common, so we get 9 upon 4 into bracket pi upon 2, that is a pi by 2, minus here sin inverse 1 by 3. Now we know that identity for inverse function, sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2. So pi by 2 minus sin inverse x, pi by 2 minus sin inverse x is equal to, we get a cos inverse x. Sin inverse x take this side, so pi by 2 minus sin inverse x is equal to cos inverse x. So here pi by 2 minus sin inverse 1 by 3 is equal to, we get cos inverse 1 by 3. Now here right side given 9 by 4 sin inverse 2 root 2 upon 3. Here we get 9 upon 4 cos inverse 1 upon 3. So change this cos inverse into sin inverse form. We get 9 upon 4. You know that formula, cos inverse to sin inverse. Sin inverse root of 1 minus square of this term, 1 upon 3 square is a 9. So is equal to 9 upon 4 sin inverse, 9 take LCM, 9 minus 1, 8, square root of 8 is a 2 root 2 upon square root of 9 is a 3. So hence prove. This is the right hand side RHS. Clear? Now question number 13. Prove that 2 tan inverse cos x is equal to tan inverse 2 cosec x. Solve this. Solve, that means we get value of x. Here we apply for these terms 2 tan inverse cos x. We apply 2 tan inverse x formula. 2 tan inverse x is equal to, we know that tan inverse 2x upon 1 minus x square. So 2 tan inverse cos x is equal to tan inverse 2 cos x upon 1 minus cos square x is equal to tan inverse 2 cosec x is equal to 1 upon sin x. So here 2 upon sin x. Therefore tan inverse from both cancel, we get 2 cosec x upon 1 minus cos square x is equal to 2 upon sin x. Now simplify this. 2 from both cancel, we get 2 cosec x upon 1 minus cos square, that is a sin square x, is equal to, here 2 cancel, so 1 upon now here we solve question number 13. 2 tan inverse cos x is equal to tan inverse 2 cosec x. Solve, that means we get value of x. Here we apply 2 tan inverse x is equal to tan inverse 2x upon 1 minus x square. For these terms, we get tan inverse 2 cos x upon 1 minus cos square x is equal to tan inverse 2 upon, change this cosec x into sin x, we get 2 upon sin x. Therefore here we get 2 cos x, 1 minus cos square, that is a sin square x, is equal to 2 upon sin x. Tan inverse from both cancel. Now simplify this. 2 cancel from both sides, 1 sin cancel, we get a cos upon sin x, that is a cot x, is equal to 1. So cot x is equal to 1, that is a value of x is equal to pi by 4, or cot inverse 1 is equal to x, that is a cot inverse x is a pi by 4, cot inverse 1 is a pi by 4, so we get x is equal to pi by 4. Clear? Same question number 14. Solve this. Tan inverse 1 minus x upon 1 plus x is equal to 1 by 2 tan inverse x for x greater than 0. In this type of question, to solve this, that is to get value of x, to take this side, so we get 2 tan inverse 1 minus x upon 1 plus x, and apply same for this. But tan inverse 2 times 1 minus x upon 1 plus x upon 1 minus square of these terms. From both sides tan inverse cancel and get terms of x both sides. Simplify this, get value of x. Just try to solve this yourself. Now in a question number 15, 16, 17 given, optional question, objective question, so solve yourself. In a next lecture we discuss about some important question related to what?